You see how bad this humidity is, right? That's why I don't just lubricate my knives. Paint them too for a reason. Here in Florida, we're surrounded by moisture. We're surrounded by condensation, humidity. Believe it or not, it's very hot right now. Most people think it gets cooler during a rainstorm, and it does inside, but man, it's humid right now. In terms of temperature, you'd be better off in the rain right now. It's hot out here. And the camera lens is fogging up. Every good Florida man paints his knife. The humidity out here is so terrible. I cannot keep the camera unfogged. There's no point, okay? This is why you need to paint your knives. Your knives are constantly being exposed to moisture, constantly. What I would do is I would use Krylon for like your base coat, and then I would hit it with some Rust-Oleum. But before you paint your knife, hold it over a fire and get it kind of hot. It doesn't have to get red hot, just somewhat hot. And then you'll get a better adhesion with your paint. People always want to know, how do you get your paint to stick to your knives? Well, the truth is eventually the paint's going to come off. But if you heat it up in a fire before you paint it, even just take like a lighter, hold the lighter on the blade for several minutes, but you got to heat your knife up before you paint it. Obviously, the critics are going to say, I don't know what I'm talking about. They're going to say, you can't paint your knife. You're not going to be able to sharpen it if it has paint on it. The paint's going to chip off, man. As you're using it, the very blade part is where the paint's going to chip off. And that's another thing the critics will point out. It's just going to chip off. Yeah, it's going to chip off. But let's face it, most of your knives in your knife collection are in storage, right? They spend 99% of the time not being used. Even the knife you carry daily, how often are you whipping it out of your pocket and using it? This has been used a hell of a lot. And you notice it still has like 90% of the paint job still on. And going back to what I was talking about with the expensive knives, you could buy a super expensive knife that like is rust resistant and all that. But I think some D2 steel and some spray paint is just fine. I honestly believe like D2 steel or like 3 PVM or just whatever, like the basic D2 style steel with some spray paint on it is going to do just fine against corrosion resistance. It's going to resist corrosion just as much as one of these $1,000 knives, pretty much. I mean, the paint, you know, and then on top of it, you can throw some knife lube on top of it too. I'm about to do a video on how to lubricate your knives. That's actually the next video, so stay tuned for that. That's very important as well. You got to know how to lubricate them. They cut better when they're lubricated. They hold an edge better when they're lubricated, because the more force you're having to use on stuff to cut things in open boxes or whatever, the more like force you have to use, the more it's going to wear down the blade, right? So with lubrication, it actually helps the knife cut, and it reduces the wear and tear on the knife. So it's not just about corrosion resistance. It also helps your knife come out of the sheath faster. Lubrication is key, and we're going to go into that in the next video. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. The moral of the story is you need to paint your knives. I could do a knife painting tutorial if you guys wanted me to, but it's not rocket science. You literally just take some spray paint and that's it, you know what I mean? And then you heat the knife up before you do it. I've seen people use a lighter, or you could just stick it over a fire. It doesn't have to be red hot like the blacksmiths get it. Just get it somewhat hot and then spray it after it's somewhat hot. It doesn't have to be red hot, just a little bit hot does the trick just fine. And that's you know, that's the ins and outs of painting a knife. You guys need to paint your knives. A painted knife is cool. Unpainted knife is not cool. Lame. Paint your knives, guys. Jordan Gerber signing off. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and check out the store. Jordan Gerber signing off.